Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil on a 2006 Ford Ranger. Here are the things you will need. You will need an oil pan, some sockets, a funnel, and a filter and some oil. Take a look at your owner's manual to figure out what kind of oil and filter that you will need to use. Let's get started, shall we? Get under your vehicle and locate your filter and your drain plug. There's my filter, and my drain plug is right beneath it. Use your socket to remove the drain plug. Make sure you have your oil pan beneath it. While your oil is draining, you can remove your oil filter. I found this oil filter wrench that works very well. After removing the oil filter, reinstall the drain plug. Next, hand tighten the new oil filter. Congratulations, now you are ready to pour in the new oil. Occasionally stop and check the oil level to make sure you are not overfilling.